Now it's time for the quite controversial Intense 5. Get your permits straight before you start to advertise your party. The minister is threatening to shut back down the entertainment sector, guys. Come on.
Saw you at Sumfest, girl. Virtual Sumfest, never bad at all. Nobody not step on my toe. Me can, watching at the comfort of my own home in my bed. It was nice.
It was nice.
Shauna, though, made sure that her performance was unforgettable.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Tony Ansing gets an extra year as Miss World because organizers won't be holding the pageant until it's safe to do so. So basically, are we still a win?
Don't know.
Yeah.
Buju Banton takes home his first festival song win and donates the cash prize to the Sunbeam Children's Home. Big up to you, Gargamel.
Woohoo! And finally holding the spot this week, Asafa's ex-girlfriend has taken him to court for child support. First reports said she's asking for $25,000 per month, but that figure was increased to $40,000. Safa is demanding a paternity test as well. Oh my, not so good.
No comments.
Sticky. Yeah. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Never a dull moment on the rock. Yes, never. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything that's entertainment.